Hi friends, I'm Dr. Neeta Ratti from Vital Clinic, New Delhi, India. Let's bring science to beauty. So today we can talk about hyperpigmentation. Now hyperpigmentation, as the name indicates, is that you have a certain complexion which could be of any tone. Now if it is an even complexion, it looks very nice, right? The color darkness or lightness or ultra fair has no meaning. But if it is an even toned skin, it looks very good. Now, but at occasions, or in some people, or in different phases of one's life, one may develop hyperpigmentation. That means it's an uneven skin tone now. Certain areas are dark, certain areas here, or maybe here on the nose side, they become darker than the rest of the area. So in that case, this is a hyperpigmentation which can be given into different names. You can call them freckles, you can call them patchy skin, you can call them melasma, you can call them butterfly pigmentation, or can be given many names. But then this is a problem because pigmentation once happens, it is very difficult to treat. Now, of lately, we have seen that the hyperpigmentation can happen after certain parlor procedures, which could be like simple scrubbing, or it could be like excessive bleaching, or it could be like getting a chemical peeling done or a laser done. So all these things can also lead to hyperpigmentation, though it may not happen in everyone, but well, a good percentage of people do land up in hyperpigmentation. Now, how to treat it? Treatment is very difficult. But Melblok skincare system, we have seen over the time, can correct your hyperpigmentation. Now, how does it help it? Hyperpigmentation, which has lasted on your skin for more than 6 months, is now deep enough, and it needs a special care and a special management to correct it. So, Melblok skincare system has 3 pillars. One is the Melblok home kit, which is the basic. Anyone can buy it online, either from melblok.com or Amazon or Flipkart. They can buy from any place. Instructions, pictorial pictures are all there inside the box. One can see them and start using. So the moment you start using, your skin starts getting better and better day by day. In the very first kit, which should last for about between 1 and 1.5 months, will get a response of 30 to 50%, which keeps on improving over time. Then people who can come to the center, the Melblok Center, which is in South Extension 2, that is M3 South X2, next to Ritu Kumar showroom. Now, if one can come to the center, should take professional sessions because it has a deeper impact and gives you much better results. Then there are people who have pigmentation for more than 5 years, right? And with all the different techniques, they are not able to get rid of. In that case, one should also add the deep management, that is ReformCRF. It is done with the machine. Basically, it is like the pigment which has entered the basal layer and below the basal layer, that is into the collagen, needs to be corrected in a different and special way. So, ReformCRF handles the collagen layer. So it gives you 2 benefits. One is it clears the old pigmentation, hyperpigmentation which is there, because new collagen is reformed, right? And also at the same time, it gives you skin tightening, face lifting. Your sagging is taken care of. Your dull looking face is taken care of. The puffiness of the face, because with age, when the collagen is weakened, so the face starts looking puffy. It looks bigger than the size, right? It's not as firm as a young face. So ReformCRF 3-hour session will also take care of that. So you go back in the best of complexions, the best of skin tone, that is even skin tone, firm skin, a lifted skin, and much more brighter than what you started with. So, friends, one can always do this if one is suffering from quick tanning, or it has a tanned skin already, or it has a patchy pigmentation, or a T-zone, which people are so much worried about. T-zone, center is oily and the sides are dry. This all can be corrected with Melblok skin care system. So one can always try. You can come to the center, you can call us, and we can handle it. For calling, we have numbers. This is 8010-888-000. Right? One can call and we can always answer all your queries and help you maintain your skin to the optimum best in your case. Thank you so much.